Okay, what happens when you get a bulldozer stuck? You get your bigger bulldozer out to bring it over to get the other one unstuck. Here we go. Two bulldozers in my yard at the same time. I never would have thunk that. Man, I really need to learn how to drive a bulldozer, don't I? Maybe that'll happen today, you never know. Good morning from Bobblehead Homestead. I am Jeff. Today is Monday. It's low 50s right now, but it's gonna warm up. The sun is out, it's bright and sunny. It's supposed to hit 60 degrees today for, what is this, December, I don't even know what date it is, but it's the middle of December and it's gonna be 60 degrees today. Oh, what's gonna happen today? I might drive a bulldozer for the first time in my life. What do you think, Fifi? You want to supervise the bulldozer work, or are you going to let Bob handle that? You guys don't like the bulldozer, so I'm thinking you're going to go run under the mobile home and hide, because Grumpy's inside today, so you guys don't get to go inside right now. Well, Fifi can, but not you, Bob. You're stuck out here with me today, Bob. Yeah, Grumpy, sleeping all morning again. That's cool today. You don't like bulldozers either. I don't blame you. Alright, what he was just doing with that stump was getting it ready to take it out. It was too muddy for him to, he couldn't get enough traction. What he's going to do is get under it and push it up. But he wants it to dry out some more so he can get enough traction so that he can get under the stump and push it up. So that's what all that work was, is him digging around the stump so that he'll get in there hopefully this week and bulldoze that out of there. Yep. Boy, it's a different view. And this log going across there, that's basically where my cabin is going to go, right in back of that log. So from this direction, my cabin will, well, and that's my water well. So my cabin's going to sit about, I don't know, 8 to 10 feet to the right will be the back of my cabin going out that way. So it will hide the front of the mobile home from people going down the road. So, yep, that's cool. All right, time for lunch. I don't think I'm gonna get a nap again today, but I can't get lunch in. I have no recollection of what I recorded today, so it's done. I mean, it's not done, it's done for today. But I drove a bulldozer, dudes. How do you get a bulldozer unstuck? Well, if you're my neighbor, your bulldozer man, you get one of your extra bulldozers to come and get the first bulldozer unstuck. So I drove one of his extra bulldozers to get that one unstuck. It was kind of fun. Then I zipped 10 feet just to get the feel of it. Anyway, I bet I'll drive a bulldozer again sometime. That was pretty cool. So yeah, and my neighbor's friend came out and helped also. And so, well, I guess I'll just point it and talk. All right, standing on the front steps of the mobile home here. And I think I did talk about that stump down there. Well, yeah, I got footage of that. Okay, and then piled all that stuff up and, okay, yeah, there's a plan for that. And there's big logs at the bottom. He wants to take those big logs for firewood. So, and the rest of that stuff, we'll talk about that later. And then his neighbor from down the road cut down that hickory tree, and then they sawed it up into smaller pieces, and it is he just put it across the lane over there, and so he'll come back and turn that into firewood. Maybe I can help him with that a little bit and use that electric chainsaw, which, yes, that DeWalt electric chainsaw that was gifted to me. I used that a little bit yesterday, and I used it quite a bit today. Once the hickory tree came down to take the side limbs off. So yeah, and the first cut I made today, I got it stuck. And it was just only like anyway. Oh, you live and you learn. So today I learned be more careful with the chainsaw so you don't get it stuck on the first try. And I drove a bulldozer. Oh. Okay, so now, yeah, these two stumps definitely need to come out. That stump doesn't, it just has to be, because my house will go right over that tree. It has to go right over that tree. That's the only way in there. I could have taken out the peach tree and that tree out front instead and took the house in over to the side, but you know, one or the other. You can't maneuver a 14 by 32 foot cabin very easily, so that tree will, that stump doesn't have to come out. It can just go down to the ground so that my cabin can come over it. I don't know about all this. Wow. I'll get to it. There's a lot to be done yet, but not as much as there was, you know, a month ago. Holy cow. Yeah, I still got a bulldozer in my yard too. Yeah, so I'm kind of tired. I shouldn't make videos when I'm tired. I tend to ramble and get sidetracked and off the topic. And so, shout outs. First I want to Nailing It Australia. Nailing It Australia. They've been leaving some nice comments, and it's Australia. Australia's cool. I've never been there. I wouldn't mind going there. I wouldn't mind going to a lot of places. Let's see. Next one I will do PG Nano Farm. PG Nano Farm. That's a new channel to me, and I'm always excited to find new channels. And then I want to do Chickenlandia. Chickens are cool, man. Chickens make me happy. So, yeah, they agreed. Chickenlandia for more chickens. Okay, that's going to be it for this Monday. More work will probably get done tomorrow. And then we got rain in the forecast Wednesday afternoon, evening, and Thursday. So, yeah, one step at a time. Today was another big step done. Thank you for watching, and take her easy.